6 times. What? I shot him 6 times. I shot him in the heart.
Can't have gotten very far. Come on.
I shot him 6 times. Yeah. This guy, this man, he's not human.
For 15 years, I've been obsessed to find out what was going on inside of him. It's been my life work.
What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And I've been meaning to get this review out for y'all. Some of you may have been following me for a minute as far as home theater stuff. May or may not be aware that I do collect I want to have my theater room have a nostalgic feel to it with some things of some movies that I like. So I like to collect the Neca dolls just to kind of decorate my theater room with. So one of the dolls that I've been wanting to get was the Dr. Loomis doll. Dr. Loomis doll has been kind of hard for me to find, and especially just him alone. I'm not even sure if they sell just him alone. I've seen the cloth version with him and Lori. I don't really want the cloth versions because I kind of want to stick to the plastic, because I started with the plastic, and to me they kind of look a little bit more detailed. So this is the Halloween 2 Dr. Loomis and Michael Myers doll that I'm going to just, share with you guys. Show y'all the craftsmanship and, how they hooked it up. So this is one I've been looking for, and I finally got it. I can cross it off the list. And yeah, we're going to talk about it. So come on with me.
Ray.
Yeah.
What's the name of that nightclub of yours again?
You talking about the Boom Boom Room?
Yeah, the Boom Boom Room. That's it.
Alright, so when you open the box, you get this Velcro door. You got this little Velcro strap here. You got one on this side. And you get your Dr. Loomis, who I've been waiting for. He comes with his revolver. You can see the detail of his face. I think they did a pretty good job of recreating him. He got his tie, he got his hand like he holding the trigger, and I believe they got a hand with holding the lighter. So you got your lighter, you got some of Michael's weapons. I didn't necessarily need the Michael because I do have the Michael Myers. This is the 40th anniversary edition too. So this is, 40 years after Halloween 2 came out. So you get your pumpkin head, and I believe this head opens up. You got the 2 different Michael Myers masks. You got the blood tears mask, and you got this one here. You got the bullet wounds. Got a couple of different hands for Mike. And then you got your syringe and your scalpel. You got your kitchen knife and your hammer. So on the inside of the box, you got this jacket does come off. So you can take Dr. Loomis's coat off. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and grab my Halloween 2 Michael Myers, and I'm gonna try to do my best putting them side by side so you can see if you notice any differences between the Halloween 2 2-pack one and the single Michael Myers one. So hang on one second. Alright, so this is the Halloween 2 Michael Myers. this comes with the blood tears. The shape of this mask look a little different. And then you got the Ben Tramer mask. So, let me show you. Get them. It's gonna be hard to. It's the one with Dr. Loomis. So yeah, they pretty much look the same. There's no really standout features that I noticed. The head may look a little more matted down on this one. This one looks a little thicker. But yeah, so you take a look at the back, and it does come with the flames. You can put the flames on Michael. Turn to the back of this one. Yeah, I think they did a pretty good job of sculpting these, and I think it's a nice new addition to my collection. So I hope you guys liked it, and I'll catch y'all on the next video.